Hey, my name is Michelle Forneris. I'm with the Forneris Group with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I want to go over the home buying process and where you should start. So you want to determine how much you can spend and how much you need to have saved for a down payment that you'll need to purchase the home. So you'll need to have a lender check your credit to get you pre-approved for a home loan. But the first step is for sure, get pre-approved so that you'll be ready to make an offer. House shopping is an exciting time, so you want to make it easier for yourself. So get pre-approved for a loan first so you can be ready to make an offer when you find the home you love. Pre-approved versus pre-qualified. Let's discuss that. So what pre-qualified means: in order to be pre-qualified, a lender may or may not check your credit score and won't require documentation, only going off of what you tell them. So this will give you an idea of what you could qualify for. But when you're serious about buying, you'll need to get pre-approved. So to get pre-approved, what you will need, a lender will pull your credit and ask for documentation to verify your finances. Before making an offer on a house, it is best to get pre-approved to show sellers your offer is serious and that a lender has already approved you for enough money to purchase the home. So very important to do that. So it'll just be less stress for you later on in the process. So the mortgage, let's talk about the mortgage, and what kind of loans. So there are different types of loans depending on what's right for you. So let's go over those. There's conventional loan. That is a 3 to 20% down. It's the most common type of loan, which is offered through private lenders. And then there's an FHA loan, which is 3.5 to 20% down. Those are loans designated for those with high debt to income ratios and low credit scores, and most commonly issued to first-time homebuyers. They're offered by FHA-approved lenders only, and backed by the Federal Housing Administration. So let's say a VA loan is loans that are designated for veteran spouses, and reservists, offered through private lenders and guaranteed for the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. There is a USDA loan, which are loans for home buyers in designated rural areas, and they're backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. So those are the types of loans that you could get. What they will need is some income documentation. So your federal tax returns, the last 2 years, W-2s, last 2 years, pay stub. They need 2 months of pay stubs. Any additional income documentation such as pension, retirement, child support, Social Security, disability income, award letters, anything like that, they will need those kind of documentation letters. Asset documents, which are bank statements, 2 of the most recent checking and savings account statements, and summaries. Other assets such as any kind of statements and anything you have like IRAs, stocks, bonds, etc. So other documents they'll need would be a copy of your driver's license or ID, Social Security card, addresses for the past 2 to 5 years, and maybe like a landlord's contact information if you're a renter. Student loans showing current and future payment amounts, documents relating to anything related to divorce, bankruptcy, collections, judgments, pending lawsuits. So when you choose a lender, not all lenders are the same. The type of loans available, the interest rates, the fees can vary. So interviewing lenders is an important step in getting through that process. Determining what type of home loan is best for you is definitely a step in the great direction. So questions to ask lenders: which types of home loans do you offer? That is a good question. What will my interest rate be and annual percentage rate be? Do I qualify for any special programs or discounts? What estimated closing costs will be? What can I expect to pay? What is your average loan processing time? So those are just some things, that you'll get over hurdles. And if you do that before, that's a great step in the right direction because it shows sellers that you are a strong buyer and you're already approved. So anyway, that's kind of where we are. And that's the next video. We'll discuss what comes next. So thank you so much for listening and watching. I look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.